Tutorials by Andrew Buckle. In this tutorial I'm just going to show you how you can quickly fill like this, a circle or any other shape with a selection of text, and a particular way of doing this with a plugin called ColliderScribe 2. It's available from Astute Graphics. Now I'm using a Mac, but you can do the same sort of thing on a PC, and first thing to do is actually create a container for the designs. So I've just created a circle here, but as I said, it could be a star or many other shapes as well. And then you can also create some text. I'm just created it just using the standard type tool over here, and I've created 4 separate text paths. So I'm just going to so I could use anything. I don't have to use those, just using different names. And what you can do then is select that circle and those names, and they can remain as text. Once you've done that, you can then go over here to the space fill, and you've got a number of options. You can use uniformity, you can modify that. You can also modify the resizing. I've actually gone for resize 50%, because what you can do then, it makes the, instead of actually just resizing obviously that by 50%, you can just do it here as well. So just easy. And also you can add some variation of size as well, so you can actually go for like 1.4, 2.5, so sort of the size varies between 1 and 2.5, and also you can vary the rotation so you don't get all straight as displayed. And you also add the number of copies. Now in this case the number of copies that's generated will be 30, but it's 30 for that, 30 for that, and 30 for that, and 30 for that. So if you had like 20 names, obviously that would be a lot of text. It takes a few seconds to do. So just going to quickly go over here and click make, and then it generates the text, and there you have it. Now of course you could create this by hand. You could just quickly go through, add all these text and turn them all around, but this plugin from Astute Graphics just does it in a few seconds. Really useful, and obviously, like I say, you can vary it. Not only that, you can also of course vary it. So if you suddenly decide I don't want it at 50%, maybe I want it at 70%, just you can just set it to 70, and there you see it straight away generates result. Once you've actually decided that's it, I don't want to do any more, you can expand. So you can just expand, and there you've got the text, and you can see it at that point. Of course you can select all of the text, so what you need to do then is go to ungroup. So you can actually ungroup, and then you can actually individually select each of the text if you want to. So it's been nicely displayed. But obviously if you have more and more of these copies and the number of things, they're actually going to all crunch up. But if you actually have, say, like 20 or 10 and then all those, you can see them all nicely separated and they won't sort of overlap. Anyway, hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.